Did you know a sneeze is faster than a sports car? It may seem strange, but a sneeze can blast out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the road. Sneezing is your body's reflex to remove irritants, like dust or pollen, from your nasal passages. The incredible speed of a sneeze can send thousands of tiny droplets into the air in a split second. Fun fact, your heart even pauses for a moment when you sneeze, which is why people say, "Bless you." So next time you sneeze, remember, it's like a supercharged speed burst from your nose.